but very deliberately they planned that. They said, hey, this is what we need to do the job right.
Yeah, and keeping all the recipes the same. I mean, we make our own dough, we make our own sauce, we have our sausage seasoned for us, specialty. We have a kind of a custom blend cheese, so none of that has really changed. I mean, none of it has changed. The cheese has, because one factory went out of business, but we gave the recipe to another cheese factory, and they duplicated it. So I mean, that's the main thing, is trying to keep the ingredients the same, and the all the things that we make ourselves, keep a close eye on to make sure they're all done correctly.
In from a data standpoint, how long does it take you to make a pizza?
Yeah, I mean, if it's just a cheese pizza, probably under a minute.
So you guys are aware of that. Like, you're, from a data standpoint, you're looking at the numbers and you've done it enough to know we can put a pizza, cheese, assemble it from scratch, and have it ready to go into the oven in about a minute.
Correct.
Yeah, and you're only, I mean, a cheese pizza, you're only talking 10 minutes. So you're talking someone could come here, get a fresh cheese pizza, probably equivalent of going through the pickup line at McDonald's,